Question 5. If function of p equals to 3x minus 1 and function of q equals to 2x square minus 1, and what is the composite function of pqx? So this case we have to substitute function of q into function of p. So this case, here is p, q, and then x, right? So function of q, it means 2x square minus 1. And here px equals to 3x minus 1. So this case, we can write 3, and instead of x, we can write 2x square minus 1. And here is a minus 1, right? Then 3 times 2 is a 6, and then x squared, 3 times minus 1, it will be minus 3, and then minus 1. And finally, we get 6x squared minus 4. So what is the result? The option here is A to D. Our right answer is option B. It means 6x squared minus 4. Question 6. What are the roots of the polynomial x cubed plus 14x squared plus 23x minus 110? So if we factorize this 110, what we will get? We can write 1 times 110. We can write 2 times 55. And then we can write like 3 is not possible, 4 possible, it's not possible, 5 against 5 times 22, right? Then 1 times 110, 2 times 55, 5 times 22, and 5. Then we can write also 11 times what? 11 times 10. It means 10 times 11. So if we factorize this 110, we can write 1, 2, 5, 10, 11, 22, 55, 110, and also everything with plus minus, right? All are possible factors. So this case we can write possible rational roots are factors of 110. It's a rational, right? So this case we can write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 5, plus minus 10, plus minus 11, then plus minus 22, plus minus 55, plus minus 110. Okay, so first we should try with 2. Okay, because in this option, look, here is a 5, 2, minus 11, minus 5, 2, minus 11, but here is a no 1. So this case, it's a good practice to start by 2. So x equals to 2. Then we can write function of x, here is a x cube, then plus 14x square, then plus 23x minus 110. So if we use function of 2, then here it will be 2 cube plus 14 2 square plus 23 times 2, then 110. So 2 cube, it means what? 8 plus 2 square. it means 4, and 4 times 14 it will be 56. Then 23 times 2 is 46 minus 110. And if we addition 6, 6, 12 plus 8, it will be 20. So 0 can carry 2. 5 plus 4 is a 9 plus 2, it will be 11. So 110 minus 110 equals to 0. So here we get positive 2. So we can say, right, so x minus 2 is a factor, right? Very simple. So first part done. Now we will start second part. Now x cube plus 14x square plus 23x minus 100 divide by x minus 2, and we are use synthetic method. By using synthetic method, synthetic division method, right? Division method, we get, first we have to write the coefficient of this expression. Here is a x cube, it will be 1, right? Then 14x square, the coefficient is 14. 23x, coefficient is 23. And here is a minus 110 is a constant. And we will divide, here is a x minus 2, we should divide by 2. Okay, so here 1 will be unchanged, so here is a 1, right? Now 2 times 1, it will be 2, and once we add, we will get 16. 2 times 16, it will be 32. So 3 plus 2, it will be 5. 2 plus 3, it will be 5. Now 2 times 55, it will be 110. Minus 110 plus 110, it will be 0. Once we get 0 in here, that means this is perfect. Okay, right? So result will be, so the expression will like, now here is 1, it means x square. Why? Because x cube, once we divide by x, we will get x square, right? Then here is a 16, it means 16x. And now finally this is a 55 is a constant. Now we can easily find out the value. 55, if we factorize, we can write 11 times 5, and 11 plus 5, it will be 16. So we can write 16 plus 11x plus 5x plus 55, right? Now we can take common x, we will get x plus 11, and here is 5, again we get x plus 11. Finally, here is a x plus 11 and then x plus 5, right? Very simple. Then what can we do? So all the factors are, first x minus 2, second x plus 11, and third x plus 5. So our target to find out what are the roots of the polynomial. So roots, x minus 2, here is a 2, x plus 11, it means minus 11, x plus 5, it means minus 5. So 2 minus 11 minus 5. So what is the result? 2 minus 11 minus 5. So our required answer, it should be what? It should be number B. Here is a x equals to 2 initially we get, and then finally we get also minus 11 and minus 5, and this is our answer B. So have any question, please write a line in the comment section. It's a very important math, and almost every day I'm trying to simplify these kinds of math. So this is number 6. Previous video you can get number 4, 3, 2 like this. So I need your opinion, what kinds of math I should more focus in my channel. So please subscribe my channel, share with your opinion, and please share with your friends, and I need a like with positive comments. Thank you.